and our home language was Yiddish, because that was the language that they had in common, our parents. And my father had a philosophy that we would only speak Yiddish to him. And so when I came along, and my sister who's younger came along, we always spoke Yiddish to my father and to my mother. Although in later years we spoke English to my mother, but my father's view was that we're going to learn a better English in the schools. He knew English, but he said you can learn a better English in the schools, but I can teach you something that you're not going to learn in the schools, and that was Yiddish. So my brother, I'm told, did not know English when he went to school, and this was not, New York, where there's huge immigrant population. Texas, when you went to school in Texas, there were a handful of Jews maybe in the school, and not like New York, where everybody would be Jewish except for a handful of others. So, but he picked up English, and obviously I did also.